Mabuhay! Maligayang kaarawan! Happiest birthday to our brother June! Enjoy your golden celebration! God bless with continued good health and many more blessed birthdays to come! Sending love and hugs from Guam!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Tito Junjun. I pray God will grant you with many more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya June. May God grant you the desires of your heart and fill your life with His love and grace.
Happy birthday po, Tito Junjun. I wish you will have your vacation on Philippines soon with your family.
Have a wonderful birthday, Kuya. I wish God will bless you and your family with good health, long life, and love and happiness. Happy birthday! Love you!
Love you.
Miss you.
Good morning, John. Happy 50th birthday. Mapalang salamat. Dahil ko Diyos, ang salamat at masadim sa 50 years old mo, makasil ka, manugid sa aking pamilyang. Ang Diyos, salamat kami ng daddy. 50 years old mo, ang bilay kami ni Mama Sil Sulaman ni. Mapalaga salamat ng Diyos. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mustalagtan, Ruina, Martin, Matthew. Ang inyo dito. Dore handa. Maya-maya ang ko. Enjoy the party. May God bless you. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday. Malakas ang katawan. Sana hindi ka magkasakit. May God bless you always. Love you, anak. I love you, Rowena, Matthew, and Mark.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Sana marami ka pang birthday na darating sa buhay mo. And may God bless you always. Sana marami ka pang I hope you have a good health. I pray to God that you will be in good health always. Happy birthday. Love you. 50 years mo naman na yan. Kuwanta ya, 50 years, tatak 40 naman. Pero tuklo ya, birthday, matubulate buko.
Kumbuna.
Akala
Sila min.
Akala kalbo. Happy birthday. And you may have more birthday to come.
Enjoy the party. Love you all. May God bless you. Take care. Gusto lang ta namin.
Pakilatan.